Okay, hey y'all. So my camera shut off on me in the middle, and I believe I got through this one, I think. If it was, let me check. 1/3 times 16 squared times 14. Okay, so I think this is right. 1194.67 feet cubed. Alright, so now I'm going to wrap it up really quick because I've already done this. And let's do D. Here is my formula. So I'm going to type in 1/3. Side squared is always going to be that square at the bottom, so we know it's going to be 7. And then the height of the pyramid is going to be 6. And I'm going to type that in. 1/3, 7 squared times 6. 1/3, whoops, times 7 squared times 6. And we get 98 meters cubed. Okay? My boards, they're all messed up now. Alright, so the last example I want to show you is what happens when they give you in the picture the height of the triangle and the height of the prism. One of them is called the slant height. And I think you can see the slant height is going to be the one that's slanted. We don't use the one that's slanted for volume. You use that for surface area, but not for volume. So when you have a picture like this, and you want to do 1/3 side squared height, the height needs to be the height of the pyramid, and the one that's going to start at the base, the middle of the base, and go straight up. The middle of the base and go straight up. So we want to use 10. We do not want to use 9. We want to use 10. So 1/3, 8 squared, and times 10. So type that in. 1/3 times 8 squared times 10. And that gives us 213.3, repeating, millimeters cubed. Now, I gave you one you try, volume of a pyramid, and you have to figure out which height are you going to use. The height of the pyramid, the slant height of the triangle, and then you have the base edge right here. Your formula is 1/3 side squared h. So you figure out if you're going to use 7 or 8. Plug it into your formula, use your calculator, and we will, let me see if it's going to be a decimal or a frac, side squared. Alright, so I think it should be a whole number, so that gives you an idea. It should be a whole number, should not have fraction or decimal, if you use the right numbers. And we'll go over this tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow. Sorry about the double videos.